Who really wants change in the country? Who really wants to see change for the better in this country? And who is the party that is bringing change to Jamaica? Who is the party that is tangibly, really changing the landscape of Jamaica? Which political organization is changing Jamaica for the better? Think about it, my thinking Labourites and my thinking Jamaicans. Who is really making the changes in Jamaica? So yes, my Labourites, and yes, my Jamaicans, this election is about who will continue to change Jamaica for the better. Who will continue to build out the highways? Who will continue to build out the hospitals? Who will continue to build out the schools? Who will continue to build out the logistics hub? Who will continue to buy the new buses? Who will continue to buy the new garbage trucks? Who will continue to give the largest salary increases to public sector workers? Who will continue to build the houses? Who will continue to change Jamaica for the better?